Hey kids, welcome back. Carrying on with our fractions topic, today we are going to do addition, subtraction of improper fractions and also unlike fractions whose denominators are different. So here our first question, add 3 by 4 and 6 by 5. So let's start solving this question. Now here, since we have different denominators, so our first step will be to find the LCM of the denominators, that is 4 and 5. Now since LCM is least common multiple, now 4 and 5 both doesn't come in each other's table, right? So directly we will say that the LCM is 4 into 5, it is 20. If you want to solve it over here, that also you can do. The LCM will be 20 only. Let's check it out. First we'll write the prime number 2, 5 is carried down as it is, as it does not come in 2's table. So again 2, 1, 5 and 5. So now when you will multiply these prime factors, you will get LCM of 5 and 4 and 5 is 20. Right? So this was our first step. Now the next step is, since the LCM is 20, now I want 20 as my denominator for both the fractions. So taking the first fraction, now when does 20 comes in 4's table? 5. So when I am multiplying 5 with the denominator, I will multiply the same with the numerator also. This is a very important step, please. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. So here 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. And my second fraction, when will I get 20 in 5's table? By when I multiply it by 4. So it is 24 by 20. Now please understand, these are my new fractions that I have got to add them, right? So my next step, I have to add these like fractions. I have converted these fractions into like fractions with the same denominator. So now putting a longer bar, writing the denominator once, bringing both these numerators together and adding them. Since these are 2 digit, you can add the ones place first and then the tens digits. So 39 by 20 is my answer when I add these two fractions. Alright. So remember one thing, in certain questions it is specifically mentioned that you must convert the answer that you get into mixed fraction. And since this I have got, it is my improper fraction, so I must convert this into mixed fraction. Let us learn how we can convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So for converting, let's do the rough work. Here I have the dividend as 39. The numerator comes as the dividend over here. Then this is my divisor. The denominator comes as the divisor. And now I have to divide 20. 22s are 40. So I will go for 21s are 20. Subtract. I get 19 as my remainder. So every time when we have to convert into mixed fraction, remember students, the denominator remains the same. The denominator remains the same. 1, the question that I have got, it will come here on the left hand side. It is the whole part and my remainder comes as my numerator, and this is my final answer. Mostly your teachers will ask you to always, whenever you get the answer in improper fraction, you must convert it into a mixed fraction. So here you are going to divide this fraction. Since 20 was a divisor, 39 dividend, you have divided. Denominator comes as it is. Your question comes on the left hand side as the whole part, and remainder becomes your numerator. So this is how we have added the improper fractions unlike fractions. Now let us understand the subtraction part. So now for subtraction, we have this question with us, right? Remember kids, there is no difference in the steps. Either we are adding or we are subtracting. The first thing is what? When we have unlike fractions, the first thing is that we take out the least common multiple of our denominators, that is 14 and 28, right? So on one side, we are going to take out the LCM. So it is 14, 28. The first prime factor, since both are even numbers, it will be divisible by 2 straight away. Now 7. So here I have got 2 to the 4, 7 4s are 28. So my LCM of 14 and 28 is 28. Also straight away you could have guessed the LCM, since 28 comes in 14's table. 14 2s are 28, right? All right, so moving ahead, now I have got my LCM. Now my second step is what? I already have 28 in this denominator, right? I already have it over here. So I just need to convert 12 by 14. I have to multiply it by 2, both numerator and denominator. So here I have got 24 by 28. And I'll put a comma. I'll write this fraction again so that it is clear which both fractions you have to find out the difference of. So my next step, I'll write it down. 24 by 28 minus 9 by 28 equals to, writing the 28, the denominator once, then 24 minus 9. So what have I got the answer? Yes, it is 15 by 28. Alright, so this is 15 by 28. Here I have got the answer. Since 15 by 28 is a proper fraction, I cannot convert this into a mixed fraction. Remember this thing. You can only convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Here the answer I have got is proper fraction. So this is my final answer. Alright, enjoy kids.